Hi, good morning, everyone. I hope all of you are doing good. If you came to our channel for the first time, click on the subscribe button and keep sharing our videos with your SAP circle. In this video, I'm going to explain you the difference between certification code TS450 versus TS452. Nowadays, I'm receiving multiple emails, which is better. Can I go for 452 or 450? Few people are suggesting 452 and few are suggesting 450. So I'm going to give some clarity according to my knowledge and what is given by SAP in their official website. So let's go to that website and where I can show you the exact difference and what SAP is recommending to go for, what kind of experience people should go for 450 and 452, which should be done first and which should be done later if you are new to SAP. Let's go to that site. First, we will see 452. The 452, the name is SAP Certified Application Associate, SAP S/4HANA Sourcing and Procurement. I want to focus on the description so that all the information is similar. You can see here, previous project experience is not necessary to write this exam. Okay, to pass this exam, no need to have a previous project experience. Even it mentioned one more thing. This certificate proves that the candidate has an overall understanding and can implement the knowledge practically in projects to contribute to the success of the planning and implementation phases in a mentored role. So the 452 system is, SAP is suggesting that previous project experience is not necessary and you can go through the content and prepare well and you need to complete the certification. Let's go to 450. The name itself you can clearly understand. SAP Certified Application Associate, SAP S/4HANA Sourcing and Procurement. Similar kind of a name. But here there is an additional sentence, upskilling for ERP experts. So 450 is suitable for people who have already experts in SAP MM, like SAP MM or WM, anyone who are already having experience in ERP. Like it can be other ERP also, but mostly we are talking about SAP to SAP. Let's focus on SAP MM or SAP SRM. If you have any experience having in any of these procurement inventory related modules, mostly the procurement related, you can choose TS450. Let's read the sentence from SAP here. All are similar. Previous project experience is not necessarily a prerequisite. However, previous knowledge about sourcing and procurement processes, SAP ERP is a benefit. Learners without any, you can see the statement, learners without any SAP ERP background knowledge are recommended to take the certification exam TS452. So all the college out students and any domain employees, like you are working in procurement or you are working in stores or any different kind of domain, like an end user or not even having any SAP experience, you are working on some different ERP or you don't have any knowledge about SAP. So SAP recommends you to do the certification of TS452. So for all freshers without any SAP MM or WM or SRM or any kind of SAP ERP background, you go for TS452. After you complete TS452, and if you are working after 1 year or sometime, then you can plan for TS450. So TS452 for basic understanding, for easy understanding. So TS452 is the smallest and TS450 is the largest. That's what you can simple understanding. So for all freshers, domain employees, and who are going to start their SAP career as a S4HANA consultant, go for TS 452. But if you are having experience like an SAP MM, for all SAP MM consultants, WM consultants, SNC, SRM, Ariba, if you want to do S4HANA certification, compared to doing 452, please do 450. Okay. So remaining details and all you can see in SAP Learning, that SAP training website. Okay, you can verify the respective details. You can go to Google and give training. You can give SAP training, and you can give SAP certification. That's good. That is better. So here you will get that website. You can search with TS 452. Okay, you can find the latest 2020. So 1901 is last year. You can select 2020 currently, which is the latest one, which is available in SAP certification site. Let's see the presentation now. This is the course content for TS 452. You can see mostly the SAP ERP related or all the details we can see here. Source of supply, configuration, procurement, analytical. So this is the course content. Before you write an exam, you have to go through the course content in the website. When it comes to upskilling, TS 450, it will have some more into the procurement, consumption based. It is covering some of the SAP ERP related topics also. So 450 is for experienced SAP consultants, and 452 is for the freshers who are coming from college or who are coming from a domain jobs. So those can go for 452. And for all experienced SAP consultants who have 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years, any kind of experience, you can go for TS 450. So this is what given by SAP. I hope it's clear for you. If you came to our channel for the first time, click on the subscribe button and keep sharing our videos. Thanks for watching.